Hi, I'm going to show you how to loosen and tighten the shoulder strap. After buckling up the baby, the straps are too loose and you will want to tighten it. All you have to do is pull this part of the strap right here and it will tighten. Here is how you loosen the straps. There is a button right here.
Some car seats have a button hidden underneath this flap right here, so make sure that you look for it.
You will want to press and hold down the button while pulling the straps at the same time.
And when you want to tighten it, you just pull up this strap like this. And that'll tighten this right back up.